Good morning, students. This is Latif sir. Today I am going to discuss about alcohol, phenols, and ethers. Alcohol, phenols, and ethers. So first, alcohol and phenols. Alcohol and phenols are formed when a hydrogen atom in hydrocarbon, aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon, is replaced by hydroxyl group, that is OH group. When a hydrogen atom in any hydrocarbon, in any type of aliphatic or aromatic hydrocarbon, is replaced by a OH group, then it is known as alcohol. Then the product formed is known as alcohol. Now, classification of alcohol. Alcohol are generally three types: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. In alcohol, the OH group is attached with sp3 hybridized carbon. And these alcohols are usually classified as primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol. So first, primary or 1-degree alcohol. If the carbon atom containing the OH group, hydroxyl group, is directly attached with one alkyl group, then it is known as primary or 1-degree alcohol. If the carbon atom containing the OH group is directly attached with one carbon atom, one alkyl group, then it is known as 1-degree alcohol. If the carbon atom containing the OH group is directly attached with two alkyl group, then it is known as 2-degree alcohol or secondary alcohol. If the carbon atom containing the OH group, if the carbon atom of the alcohol containing OH group is directly attached with 3 alkyl group, then this is known as tertiary or 3-degree alcohol. An alcohol may be classified as monohydric, dihydric, and polyhydric. This is depending on the number of OH group present in the alcohol, present in one molecule of alcohol. So monohydric alcohol means one OH group is present in the alcohol. Dihydric alcohol means two OH groups are present in one molecule of the alcohol. And polyhydric alcohol means containing 3 or more OH group. Okay. And now aromatic alcohol, which are also called phenol. There are different types of aromatic alcohol like phenols, catechol, resorcinol. Okay, so in aromatic alcohol, that is for example in phenol, OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon, and these aromatic alcohols may also be monohydric, dihydric, trihydric, etc. And the dihydric alcohol, monohydric alcohol is monohydric aromatic alcohol is phenol, and dihydric aromatic alcohol are different types like catechols, resorcinol, and quinol, etc. So dihydric phenols further classified as ortho, meta, or para derivative. So this is the phenol, and if two OH group is present in the benzene ring, two OH groups are present in the benzene ring, then this is known as catechol. If both OH group are present at 1,2 position or ortho position, is known as catechol. If the OH groups are present at 1,3 position of the benzene ring, then it is known as resorcinol. You have to remember the structure of phenol, catechol, resorcinol. Okay, and if the OH groups are present at the 1,4 position of the benzene ring, then this is known as quinol or hydroquinone. And in allylic alcohol, OH group is attached with sp3 hybridized carbon, but this sp3 hybridized carbon is next to the C double bond C bond. For example, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2OH, allylic alcohol, CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2OH, and this carbon is allylic carbon. This carbon, the carbon next to the double bond, the carbon next to the carbon double bond is known as allylic carbon, and if the OH group is present at allylic position, then this is known as allylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol, similarly benzyl alcohol is also is an example of allylic alcohol. This benzylic alcohol, benzene ring and CH2OH, benzene ring and CH2OH. This is benzylic alcohol. Now, structure of alcohol and phenols. I have told that the oxygen atom of alcohol is sp3 hybridized and they have tetrahedral structure. The structure is tetrahedral. Okay, and the bond angle is the carbon oxygen hydrogen bond angle is 108.9 degree due to repulsion of the lone pair present on the oxygen atom. And in phenol the OH group is attached with sp2 hybridized carbon, and thus the carbon oxygen bond acquires a partial double bond character due to resonance, because the lone pair of phenol can participate in resonance with the pi electron of benzene. The lone pair of phenol and lone pair of oxygen of OH group present in phenol can participate in resonance with the pi electron of the benzene ring. Okay, like this. That's why the carbon oxygen bond gets some double bond character due to resonance. Next, nomenclature of alcohol. You have already studied in class 11 about the nomenclature. In IPC system, alcohol and alkanols are named by replacing the last word E of the corresponding alkane by all. So you have to use a suffix all during naming alcohol. Okay, for example, this compound CH2OH, 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 this is propan 1,2,3 triol, 1,1,2,3 triol, propan 1,2,3 triol. Similarly, the second compound known as 2-methyl phenol. This is 2-methyl phenol because this compound is actually phenol, and 1-methyl is present at the ortho position of OH group, or 2 position of with respect to OH group. That's why this is 2-methyl phenol. Phenol is the main compound. Okay, and in this compound, this is cyclopropane. In this compound, in the third compound, in the cyclopropane ring, one OH group is present and 2 methyl group. Okay, so the main compound is pentanol. This is 5-member ring, so cyclopentanol, and 2 methyl group are present at 2 and 4 position. So the name of this compound is 2,4-dimethyl cyclopentanol. Okay, so during naming an alcohol, you have to use a suffix all. Okay, and if there are more than one OH groups are present, then you have to use diol, triol. This suffix you have to use, triol. Now, preparation of alcohol. First preparation is from alkene. You can prepare alcohol from alkene in different ways. First, by acid catalyze. Preparation of alcohol by acid catalyze hydration. And the rules involved in this case is Markovnikov rule. You have studied about Markovnikov rule in class 11. Okay, so first reaction is by acid catalyze hydration of alkene. So the reaction is this: when alkene reacts with water in presence of dilute acid. When alkene C11C reacts with water in presence of H plus, this means dilute H2SO4 or dilute HCl, the alkene will be converted into alcohol. Okay, the alkene will be converted into alcohol. That means the H plus part of water, H plus will be enter in one carbon, and the OH minus of water molecule will enter into the in another carbon. Okay, and the alkene will be converted into alcohol. So this is known as acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. For example, when propene CH3CH11CH2 reacts with water in presence of dilute acid, when propene CH3CH11CH2 reacts with water in presence of H2SO4, then you will get propan-2-ol. This is propan, 3 carbon atoms are there. So this is propan, and propan and OH group is present at the 2 position. So this is propan-2-ol. So when propene reacts with water in presence of dilute acid, the product formed is propan-2-ol or 2-propanol. Okay, this is according to Markovnikov rules, and according to Markovnikov rule, the negative part of the of water molecule, that is OH minus ion, the negative part of water molecule, that is OH minus ion, will enter into the carbon which contain less number of H hydrogen atom. According to Markovnikov addition, the negative part of water molecule will enter into the carbon atom which contain less number of hydrogen atom. Okay, next method, here mechanism of this reaction given. The mechanism follows 3 steps. Okay, there are 3 steps of acid catalyzed hydration of alkene to give alcohol. In the first step, water molecule dissociate to give H plus and H3O plus and OH minus. In the first step, the carbon carbon double bond at reacts or forms bond with H plus, or you can also say H plus ion forms bond with the double bonded carbon, and the alkene become a carbocation. In the first step, the alkene is converted into a carbocation by forming bond with H plus. The H plus ion from water enter in one carbon atom, and the another carbon atom becomes carbocation or become positively charged. In the next step, which is known as nucleophilic attack occur in the next step, nucleophilic attack by water molecule. So in first step, the alkene molecule is converted into carbocation. In the second step, the carbocation, then nucleophile in the second step, nucleophilic attack by OH, by water molecule. Nucleophilic attack by water molecule, and the carbocation is converted like this. And in third step, this compound deprotonation from this compound, that is 1H plus removed from this compound, and this compound is converted into alcohol. Okay, so the mechanism follows 3 steps. In first step, addition of H plus. In second step, nucleophilic attack by water molecule, and in third step, deprotonation, that is a removal of H plus. Okay, and finally the alkene is converted into alcohol. Next method Next method of preparation of alcohol from alkene is by hydroboration oxidation. The name of this method is hydroboration oxidation. That is reaction of alkene with B2H6. In the first step, reaction of alkene with B2H6, and in next step, hydrolysis of the intermediate product to give alcohol. So hydroboration oxidation, the name of this method is hydroboration oxidation. So in this reaction, first alkene such as propene, here the alkene is propene, CH3CH11CH2, propene, alkene of 3 carbon. So in first step, propene reacts with B2H6. This is actually B2H6, HBH2 whole twice. You can also write as B2H6. Okay, so in the first step, alkene reacts with B2H6 and it converted into a product, into a substrate like this. That is H plus will enter in one carbon, or H the hydrogen atom will join with one carbon, and BH2 part of B2H6 will join to this carbon. Okay, so first in the first step, alkene reacts with B2H6 and it converted into a compound like this, CH3 CH H and CH2 BH2. Okay, and this step continues. That means three al three al three alkene molecule combine with one B2H6 molecule, and three alkene molecule combines with one B2H6 molecule, and finally it is converted like this, CH3 CH2 whole thrice B, CH3 CH2 whole thrice B. And in the next step, you have to hydrolyze this product CH3 CH2 whole thrice B by H2O2 OH minus in basic medium, H2O2 OH minus and water. In the next step, this intermediate product is hydrolyzed by H2O2 OH minus in presence of water to give alcohol CH3 CH2 OH. The okay, so this reaction is known as hydroboration oxidation of alkene. So when alkene, that is like propene, reacts with B2H6 in first step, and in second step H2O2 OH minus, the alkene will be converted into alcohol. Okay, next method of preparation is from carbonyl compounds. From carbonyl compounds, first is by reduction of aldehyde or ketone. By reduction of aldehyde or ketone, if you reduce aldehyde or ketone, you will get alcohol. If you reduce aldehyde, you will get, if you reduce aldehyde group, that is CHO group, you will get primary alcohol. That is the CHO group will be converted into CH2OH group. If you reduce RCHO by a reducing agent such as H2 palladium or H2 nickel or H2 platinum or sodium borohydride NaBH4 or lithium aluminum hydride, that is LiAlH4. If you reduce aldehyde or ketone by this reducing agent, aldehyde or ketone will be converted into alcohol. If you reduce aldehyde, then you will get primary alcohol, that is the CHO group will be converted into CH2OH group. CH2OH group, the CHO group will be converted into CH2OH. This is 1 degree alcohol. And if you reduce ketone RCOR R dash, this is actually ketone RC double bond OR RC double bond OR, this is actually a ketone. If you reduce ketone, RCOR dash, this is actually ketone RC double bond OR, the CO group will be converted into CHOH group. Just see the change. The remaining part remains same, the alkyl group remains same, just C double bond O group is converted into CHOH. This is a ketone. So ketone, when react with the reducing agent such as NaBH4 or H2 palladium or H2 nickel, the product will be 2-degree alcohol. This is a 2-degree alcohol because the carbon atom containing OH group is directly attached with two alkyl group R and R dash. So this is a 2-degree alcohol. So aldehyde on reduction aldehyde on reduction is converted into 1-degree alcohol or primary alcohol, and ketone on reduction by any reducing agent such as H2 palladium or H2 nickel or NaBH4 or LiAlH4. Okay, you can use any one reducing agent. The ketone will be converted into 2-degree alcohol. So aldehyde yields, here it is given, aldehyde yields primary alcohol, whereas ketone gives secondary alcohol. Next method is by reduction. Next method is by reduction of carboxylic acid and ester. You can also get alcohol from acid or ester. Carboxylic acid, that is RCOOR, COOH, RCO2H. This is a carboxylic acid. You have to see that just the change in the substrate. The alkyl group remain same. Okay, remain unchanged. So RCOOH, this is an acid, carboxylic acid. If you reduce this carboxylic acid by a reducing agent such as lithium aluminum hydride in the first step, and in second step we have to use H2O or H plus, then you will get 1-degree alcohol, that is RCH2OH. Thus acid group will be converted into alcohol group. The RCOOH group will be converted into RCH2OH group. Okay, similarly if you reduce ester, RCOOR, this is the general formula of ester, RCOOR. If you reduce ester, then you will get two type of alcohol here, and in the second step you have to hydrolyze and you will get two type of alcohol. You have to break this ester like this, and you will get RCH2OH primary alcohol and ROH. Okay, two types of alcohol you will get after reduction of ester. So by reduction of alcohol you can reduction by so by reduction of alcohol or ester you can get alcohol. Okay, if you reduce acid, then the COOH group of acid will be converted into CH2OH. Just remember the change. I am again saying that. And you have to remember the reagent also. Okay. So reduction of aldehyde, ketone and ester with sodium alcohol. This is sodium alcohol. This is Na. Sodium alcohol is called Beauvoir-Blanc reduction. The reduction of aldehyde, ketone and ester with sodium in alcohol, sodium in ethanol, especially in sodium in ethanol, is known as Beauvoir-Blanc reduction. Next, from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, the general formula of Grignard reagent is RMGX. RMGX, R means alkyl group like CH3 or C2H5 or C3H7, like this. So RMGX, alkyl, R means alkyl, Mg means magnesium, and X means halogen. Halogen means halide, fluoride, chloride, bromide, ClBr, like this. So when Grignard reagent RMGX reacts with carbonyl compound, or that is aldehyde or ketone, the product will be alcohol. The product will be alcohol. So from Grignard reagent you can also prepare alcohol from Grignard reagent. You can also prepare from alcohol by reaction with aldehyde or ketone. So the reaction mechanism is this is a carbonyl compound C double bond O, and in the first step the R group from Grignard reagent enter to the carbon C double bond O carbon, and the in the first step an adduct is formed. This is the adduct, and the C double bond O bond breaks, and in the next step you have to hydrolyze hydrolyze this adduct, and the OMGX group will be converted into OH group. Okay, and you have to remember that defined groups are present on both the hand of carbon C double carbonyl carbon. Okay, it may be hydrogen or different types of alkyl group. So thus when formaldehyde HCHO, when formaldehyde, that is HCHO, that is the both the hand of carbonyl group C double bond O group contains hydrogen atoms, that is when formaldehyde reacts with RMGX, then you will get only primary alcohol. In the first step this type of adduct will be formed, and in next step after hydrolysis the RCH2 OMGX will be converted into OH. So by reaction of Grignard reagent with formaldehyde, you will get, finally you will get primary alcohol. Just see the change. Okay, the alkyl group of Grignard reagent remains same, R remains same. Okay, if you react Grignard reagent RMGX with another aldehyde like CH3CHO or C2H5CHO, acetaldehyde, propanaldehyde, that is RCHO. If you react Grignard reagent RMGX or R-MGX, here it is R-MGX, with another or with different aldehyde, then you will get 2-degree alcohol. This is 2-degree alcohol. In the first step this type of product adduct will be formed, and after hydrolysis with water this OMGX group will be converted into OH group, and this is actually a 2-degree alcohol because the carbon atom containing OH group is directly attached with 2 alkyl group. One alkyl group is coming from the Grignard reagent, that is R dash, and another alkyl group is present in the carbonyl group, that is aldehyde. Similarly, when ketones RCOR, RC double one OR, that means that C double bond, both hand of C double bond O group contain 2 alkyl group. When this when ketone reacts with Grignard reagent, that is RCOR plus R-MGX, the product will be 3-degree alcohol. This is the 3-degree alcohol. In the first step this type of adduct will be formed. Okay, and after hydrolysis with water the product will be converted into 3-degree alcohol. So the generalization is that from Grignard reagent you can get alcohol. If Grignard reagent reacts with aldehyde or ketone, then after hydrolysis finally you will get an alcohol. In the alcohol may be primary or secondary or tertiary. If the Grignard reagent reacts with formaldehyde, only formaldehyde gives primary alcohol or RCH2OH. If the Grignard reagent reacts with any different types of aldehyde, that which is represented as RCHO, then you will get, after hydrolysis you will get 2-degree alcohol. And if the Grignard reagent reacts with ketone RCOR, then the final product is 3-degree alcohol. This is the 3-degree alcohol. Just remember this. So from Grignard reagent you can also prepare alcohol. Now from hydrolysis of alkyl halide, if you hydrolyze alkyl halide, that is RX, CH like CH3Cl, C2H5I, alkyl and halogen, alkyl and halide, alkyl halide with KOH or NOH. If you hydrolyze alkyl halide, you will get alcohol, that is the halide X will be replaced by OH, and the alkyl halide will be converted into alcohol. Okay, and the age of hydrolysis of different alkyl halide is in the order Ri greater than Rvr greater than ICl, and tertiary alkyl halide is greater than secondary alkyl halide is greater than primary alkyl halide. T greater than S. T means tertiary alkyl halide greater than secondary alkyl halide greater than primary alkyl halide. Okay. Now from primary amine. Amine means RNH2. If an alkyl group is directly attached with NH2 group, then it is known as 1-degree amine. When primary amine reacts with nitrous acid, that is HNO2, nitrous acid, HNO2. This is actually HNO2, and this HNO2 is formed after the reaction between NaNO2 and HCl at very low temperature, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. So when RNH2 reacts with NaNO2 plus HCl, or you can also write directly HNO2, HONO. This is actually HNO2, nitrous acid. So when primary amine reacts with nitrous acid, that is NaNO2 plus HCl or HNO2, the product will be always alcohol. The NH2 group will be converted into OH group. Okay. If an aliphatic primary amine reacts with nitrous acid HNO2 at low temperature, the final product will be always alcohol. The NH2 group will be converted into OH group. If the same type of reaction is carried out with aromatic amine like aniline C6H5NH2, then the final product will be benzene diazonium salt. The final product will be benzene diazonium salt. Okay, that means for aromatic amine, when aromatic amine reacts with nitrous acid at low temperature, the product will be benzene diazonium salt, not alcohol. Okay, because benzene diazonium salt are very stable, resonance stabilize. Now see preparation of phenols, aromatic alcohol. So you can preparation of phenol, you can prepare phenol from chlorobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. Chlorine atom is present in the benzene ring. When chlorobenzene reacts with sodium hydroxide at very high temperature and high pressure, at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 degrees Celsius, 300 atm pressure, the Cl group will be converted into ONA group first, and on adding H plus, that is HCl dilute acid, the OH group will be converted, ONA group will be converted into OH group. Okay, so from chlorobenzene, from haloarenes, you can also prepare aromatic alcohol such as phenol. So when chlorobenzene reacts with sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin and 300 degrees Celsius, 300 atm pressure, the product will be phenol. Okay, this is the preparation of phenol. Next step, from benzene sulfonic acid. When benzene reacts with oleum is the concentrated sulfuric acid. The formula is H2H2O7. The formula of oleum is H2H2O7. When H2O7 reacts with SO3, then oleum is formed. So when benzene reacts with oleum, then the product will, in the first step, the product is benzene sulfonic acid. SO3H group is present in the benzene ring. If SO3H group is present in the benzene ring, then the name of the compound is benzene sulfonic acid. And now if benzene sulfonic acid is treated with sodium hydroxide, is treated with fused sodium hydroxide or molten sodium hydroxide, and then in the next step, if you add acid, dilute acid H plus, HCl or dilute H2SO4, then finally you will get alcohol. So you can also prepare alcohol, phenol, from benzene diazonium chloride. This is the benzene from benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, So you can prepare phenol from benzene sulfonic acid. So when benzene sulfonic acid reacts with sodium hydroxide in presence of, and in the next step, hydrolysis, the SO3H group will be converted into OH group. Now from diazonium salt, from benzene diazonium salt, this is the benzene diazonium chloride I have told before some time. When aromatic amines like aniline, this is the aniline, benzene ring and NH2. If benzene ring NH2 group is directly attached with benzene ring, then it is known as aniline. Only NH2 group is present in the benzene ring, then it is known as aniline, aromatic primary amine. When this aniline or aromatic primary amine reacts with nitrous acid means NaNO2 plus HCl, NaNO2 plus HCl at very low temperature, 273 to 278 Kelvin, that is 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. When aniline reacts with sodium nitrite, NaNO2 plus HCl at very low temperature, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius or 273 to 278 Kelvin. In the first step, aniline will be converted into benzene diazonium chloride. That means the NH2 group will be converted into N2 plus Cl minus group. And now if you add water and warm this benzene diazonium chloride, after adding water to benzene diazonium chloride, the benzene diazonium chloride will be converted into phenol. This is the phenol. Name not written here. You have just write the name of this compound. Okay, just below this substrate. So when benzene diazonium chloride is warmed with water, then the benzene diazonium chloride will be converted into phenol. Now from cumin, preparation of phenol from cumin. This is an important important method of preparation of phenol. So cumin, the general formula of cumin is this one. If isopropyl group like CH3CH, this is isopropyl group, CH3CH, this group is present in benzene ring, then it is known as cumin. So when cumin reacts with air means oxygen. You have to remember, when cumin reacts with oxygen, in the first step cumin hydroperoxide is formed. So just see the change. This is a cumin hydroperoxide. The CH3 and both CH3 group remain same, and the CH group changes into COOH group. Okay, so when cumin reacts with oxygen, in the first step cumin hydroperoxide is formed, and after this step, in the next step, if you add acid, dilute acid H plus, this cumin hydroperoxide will dissociate to give phenol and acetone. The side product is always acetone. Okay, so from cumin you can prepare phenol. In the first step, cumin reacts with oxygen and forms cumin hydroperoxide. The structure is given here, just you have to remember the change. Okay, and in the next step, if you add acid H plus, the cumin hydroperoxide is converted into phenol and acetone. This is important. This is an important method of preparation of phenol from cumin. Now physical properties of alcohol. Alcohol are generally liquids. Alcohols, lower alcohols are colorless liquid, and member from carbon number C5 to C11 are only liquid, and higher members are waxy solids. And the hydroxyl group in alcohol can form hydrogen bond with water, can form hydrogen bond. The hydroxyl group uh, in alcohol can form hydrogen bond with water. Thus alcohol are miscible with water, and solubility of alcohol with in water, solubility of alcohol in water decreases with increase in molecular mass. You have to remember. Okay, lower alcohols are easily soluble in water, but solubility of alcohol decreases with increasing molecular mass. And so what alcohols are soluble in water, this is because alcohol can form hydrogen bond with water. And boiling point of alcohol is higher than alkane or alkene or alkyne. So boiling point of alcohols are higher than alkene or alkyne. This is alcohol, boiling point of alcohol, just write here alcohol. So boiling point of alcohol are higher than expected because of the presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, as the alcohol molecules can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding among them, their boiling points are high compared to alkene or alkane. And the boiling point order is 1 degree alcohol is greater than 2 degree is greater than 3 degree. This is because the van der Waals force of attraction decreases from 1 degree alcohol to 2 degree alcohol to 3 degree alcohol. Okay, now physical properties of phenol, that is physical properties of aromatic alcohol. Aromatic alcohol, that is phenol, these are colorless liquid or crystalline solid but become colored due to slow oxidation with air. And phenol is also called carbolic acid. The another name of phenol is known as carbolic acid. Okay, and because of the presence of polar OH group, phenols can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding with other phenol molecules and with water. These are physical properties of phenols. Now chemical reaction of alcohol and phenols. Chemical reaction of alcohol and phenols. I'll discuss about the chemical properties of alcohol and phenols in the next video. Okay, student, thank you.